Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a clothesline rope basket using fabric and ribbon. I'm excited to use a little bit of this fabric, fussy cut just the piece that I want with a little bird and a sunflower. Come along and let me show you how I do this. I just love how pretty this ribbon is and it matches the fabric so well. I'm excited to use it. I like to put a little bit of tape on the end of the rope and then cut most of it off. That keeps it from fraying. Here I am trying to wrap as much of it in a circle as I can before I start sewing it. It just seems to make it work better for me. I am using a large zigzag stitch with the widest setting possible. The one thing I really like about this Singer heavy duty sewing machine that I have is you can see the bobbin so well. I love knowing when I'm getting ready to run out. This worked out well. I wanted to get the ribbon all set in place before I sewed the fabric down. So I'm going to sew the ribbon first and then the fabric. I will be doing the over-under method with the rope, going over the ribbon, and then the next time I'll go under the ribbon and back and forth until I run out of ribbon. And now I'm just going to tilt it up and that will start forming the bowl. I didn't do anything real fancy with the finish here. I just tied a knot on the side that you'll see in just a second. Thank you so much for watching. This was a fun project to do.